Hi! Are you preparing for the CIPP US exam? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll share practice questions and answers. And if you're interested in getting more free study material, check out our website. Find the link in the description. Now, let's get started. Question 1. What is a critical step in establishing an incident response program? A. Encrypting all corporate emails. B. Identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities. C. Training only the IT department. D. Ignoring smaller incidents to focus on major breaches. The answer is B. Identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities. A critical part of an incident response program is identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities to prepare for and mitigate security incidents. Question 2. Which regulation specifically addresses the handling of online children's data? A. G. D. R. B. C. A. N. S. P. A. M. A. C. T. C. 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 P. A. D. C. O. P. P. A. The answer is D. C. O. P. P. A. CIPP is a U.S. federal law that imposes requirements on online services aimed at protecting the privacy of children under the age of 13. Question 3. What is one of the main challenges with vendor management in a privacy program? A. Negotiating data processing agreements. B. Limiting vendor access to only essential data. C. Monitoring vendor security practices. D. Allowing vendors to independently determine compliance needs. The answer is C. Monitoring vendor security practices. Effective vendor management involves continuously monitoring vendors to ensure they meet privacy and security standards. Question 4. Which privacy framework is recognized by the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, APEC? A. Binding Corporate Rules, BCRs. B. EU-US Privacy Shield. C. APEC Cross-Border Privacy Rules, CBPR. D. General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. The answer is C. APEC Cross-Border Privacy Rules, CBPR. The CBPR system is an APEC-endorsed framework that facilitates cross-border data flows while protecting privacy. Question 5. In U.S. privacy law, which of the following is an example of self-regulatory enforcement? A. Mandatory government audits. B. Penalties imposed by state attorneys, General C. Trust marks like BBB and seals like PCI-DSD. Class action lawsuits. The answer is C. Trust marks like BBB and seals like PCI-DSS. Self-regulatory enforcement can include trust marks and industry seals that demonstrate compliance with privacy standards. Question 6. Which of the following privacy considerations is specific to U.S.-based global multinational companies? A. Only U.S. data privacy laws apply to global operations. B. GDPR requirements are irrelevant outside the EU. C. Multinational compliance conflicts must balance EU and US law. D. APEC rules supersede local laws. The answer is C. Multinational compliance conflicts must balance EU and US law. US-based global companies often face the challenge of balancing EU data protection laws with US legal requirements. Question 7. How does the FTC enforce privacy and data protection violations? A. By directly regulating data use. B. Through enforcement actions based on the FTC Act C. By issuing privacy notices to companies. D. By imposing mandatory data encryption. The answer is B. Through enforcement actions based on the FTC Act. The FTC enforces privacy and data protection through actions against unfair or deceptive practices under the FTC Act. Question 8. What was a significant impact of the Schrems II decision on U.S. companies? A. It invalidated the EU-US Privacy Shield framework. B. It approved all data transfers to U.S. companies with Privacy Shield certification C. It required immediate cessation of all EU-US data transfers. D. It mandated EU Data Protection Authority oversight of U.S. companies. The answer is A. It invalidated the EU-US Privacy Shield framework. The Schrems II decision by the European Court of Justice struck down the EU-US Privacy Shield as inadequate for protecting EU citizens' data when transferred to the US. Question 9. Managing user preferences in a privacy context primarily involves A. Ensuring user data is accurate and up to date. B. Providing users with control over how their data is used. C. Storing user data securely on premises. D. Selling user data to third parties under strict contracts. The answer is B. Providing users with control over how their data is used. Managing user preferences is about giving individuals options regarding the collection, use, and sharing of their personal information. If you want more free practice questions, check out our website. And if you liked this video, give us a like and comment below what other privacy topics you're interested in learning about. That's it for now. Best of luck, and until next time.